Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a classic British dish, toad in the hole. It's a comforting and delicious recipe that combines sausages and a fluffy golden Yorkshire pudding batter. This dish is perfect for a cozy dinner or even a weekend treat. So, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. To begin, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. You'll need 6 to 8 sausages, pork or any type you like, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a bit of oil or butter for greasing the pan, optional fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary for extra flavor in the batter. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Preheating the oven and preparing the sausages. First things first, we need to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, or about 200 degrees Celsius. This will ensure that our toad in the hole cooks evenly and gets that nice golden brown finish while the oven is heating up. Let's prepare the sausages. You can use any type of sausage you like, but traditional recipes usually call for pork sausages. Heat a little oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Once hot, place the sausages in the pan and cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are golden brown on all sides. They don't need to be fully cooked through, as they will finish cooking in the oven. Step 3. Making the Yorkshire pudding batter. While the sausages are cooking, let's get started on the batter. In a large mixing bowl, combine your flour, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Add in the eggs and whisk until smooth. Gradually pour in the milk while whisking to make sure there are no lumps. The batter should be fairly runny and smooth, just like a pancake batter. If you want to add a little extra flavor, you can mix in some fresh herbs, like chopped rosemary or thyme. This will give the dish a lovely aromatic touch. Step 4. Assembling the toad in the hole. Once your sausages are browned, it's time to assemble the dish. Take a large oven-safe baking dish or a roasting pan and lightly grease it with a bit of oil or butter. Place your sausages in the dish, spreading them out evenly. Now, pour the Yorkshire pudding batter over the sausages. Make sure the sausages are mostly covered, but it's okay if a little bit is sticking out. The batter will rise beautifully around the sausages while baking. Step 5. Baking the toad in the hole. Now it's time to bake. Place the dish in the preheated oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll want to keep an eye on it as the batter rises and turns golden brown. Don't open the oven door during the first 20 minutes, as this can cause the batter to deflate. Once the batter is golden and crispy on top and the sausages are fully cooked through, your toad in the hole is ready to come out of the oven. Step 6. Serving and enjoying. Look at that. Golden, puffed up, and perfectly cooked. Now, carefully remove the dish from the oven and let it sit for a few minutes before slicing. Serve it hot with some gravy and vegetables on the side for the perfect comfort meal. Toad in the hole is a wonderful dish that's simple to make but full of flavor. The sausages are juicy and savory, and the Yorkshire pudding is light and fluffy together. They're a match made in heaven. Outro. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to give it a try at home and let me know how it turns out. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.